How to change your TikTok username before 30 days. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your TikTok username if you've changed it in the past 30 days and now you want to change it again. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So I will show you what the issue is. I just happened to change my TikTok username and then I want to change it again. But then if I come to my edit profile button, I tap in the username section, you can see this place is not actually clickable because it says cannot change the username since you just changed it in the last 30 days and it will not let me change my username at all. I cannot even enable my keyboard option. So how do we fix this? So in order to fix this, there is a simple solution. So currently today is 10th of January 2023, and in order to go ahead and then enable and change it again, what we have to do is we have to change the date and time to 1 month further from today. So open up settings and then go to the option called general management. If you're on iPhone, this option could be different, so keep that in mind. And then go to date and time. First of all, turn off automatic date and time and then set date. And since this is January, I'll just set it to some random date in February, which is at least going to be 30 days further from now. And now I'll tap on the done button. And as I do that, you can see I've successfully changed the date to at least 1 month further away from this. Now I will go ahead and then launch the TikTok app again. And once I launch the TikTok application again, I'll come to my profile page over here. And then once I come to my profile page over here, so let me just go ahead and skip all of this process as well. After that, if I come to my profile page, now I tap on the edit profile button. I tap on the username section. Now this time you can see I have successfully enabled the new username section, and I can also see the save, and you can see that this is actually the same account that I just changed to. I can even go ahead and enter the new username and then tap on the save option from the top right in order to change my username. That's basically how you can change username on TikTok before 30 days. It is a simple working trick that is still working to today. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.